vlogging. This is my Sunday routine. Right now, I'm headed to Gloss Lab to get my nails done. It's 30 degrees, it's freezing. And then I'm headed to a workout with Paloma. And I'm wearing this workout top and I'm not covered enough at all. So that's great, I'm freezing. But I'm gonna put this away. Oh, here comes the tears. We're in my kitchen right now. My apartment's kind of an absolute disaster, but that's what Sundays are for, a little reset. So I need to do the dishes, I need to put away all that. I don't think you guys have ever seen my new kitchen, but I painted it yellow. This is the yellow, these are the shelves, kind of where all my little trinkets live. We made these candles on my birthday this year, very cute. All of these are thrifted. This is from Morocco, this is from Turkey, these are thrifted. So lots of thrifted and fun little items that I've gotten throughout the years. This is all the stuff that I need to put away. It kind of looks like insane right now, but it's really not that much. I'll also give a quick little apartment tour because I feel like you guys don't know what my apartment looks like. So this is my living room, cozy, fluffy couch. It's also where I record my new podcast. Here's the bar cart corner in the living room. Also still has my Christmas tree on it, but it hasn't died yet. And I know it's January, but I'm keeping it because it's cute. It's so like little mini. This is my table where I have like lunch dinners, but I also work from my living room, so I sit here most of my Monday through Fridays. Okay, so this is my bedroom. I feel like you guys probably will remember this big mirror that I bought from Anthropology. This is my living room TV back here, but it's on like a stand, so I can bring it from the bedroom to the living room. And I've been watching a lot of movies from bed, so we've been keeping it in here. This is my desk area. I'm not gonna show you guys everything because I wanna do an actual apartment tour, but this is my 2025 vision board. Lots of big goals this year, lots of hobbies I wanna pick up and different trips I wanna do. Also, this is my new stuffed animal. I'm naming him Moo. He's a Huggles, which I didn't even know that brand, but apparently you can like take the thing out of inside of them and put it in the microwave or put it in the freezer as like a heating pad or like a cooling pad. So he's just like a cute little, perfect little thing. This is normally where the TV is. It's like on the stand right against the wall and it's like right there. I wanted to put it on the living room wall, but the living room wall is concrete, and it was such a pain trying to figure that out. And I knew I could hire someone and figure that whole thing out, but for now it's on that little stand and it works. My apartment is rent stabilized too, which if you know in New York City, that's an amazing thing. That means that they can't raise the rent like thousands of dollars. They can only raise it, I think it's like 3 to 5% a year, which they do, but it's still pretty affordable to live alone. And it's great because then I can save money and focus on buying a house. And I know a lot of people that are in their late 20s or 30s that haven't even started investing, like no 401k, no investments, no stocks, no nothing. And I started this past year and it makes a huge difference. I can talk more about it in other videos about what I do, but I think it's really smart to live below your means in your 20s, and a lot of people don't. I would love to move into a nicer building, but I think I'll do that when I can split rent with a partner. But until then, I probably won't move, just because it doesn't make sense to me to waste $4,000 or $5,000 a month on rent when I could be saving that money or investing it or putting it elsewhere. So for now, this is where I'll be. So you guys can help me with designing. I need to do a lot to this apartment, honestly. I need to tweak it and make it nicer, but it is nice, like the bones are there. It just needs a little zhuzh, I guess. And this is what it looks like. Not majorly hungry right now, but I know I'm gonna be hungry because it's 7. Like debating if I should have one of these. They're the lemon pop seed muffins. They're vegan. Clearly I can't help myself. I'm just staring into my cabinet right now. This is what it's like living alone. Like if I had a boyfriend, I'd probably get yelled at for having muffins for dinner. And I probably should yell at myself for doing that, but I just don't really feel like cooking. Okay, I've moved from the couch to the chair and I'm finishing up my night going through my emails and just trying to catch up on stuff for work. But that's it, that's my Sunday routine. I'm gonna shower and do my skincare and get ready for bed. But I wanted to start vlogging more in 2025. So hopefully you guys like this. If you made it this far, love you. Comment down below what you would like to see next.